Welcome to Michael's Avery Channel.
Oh, di ba? Oh.
Ano, hanggang saan? Eh, sinukat niya yun. Tapos, kaya ba doon sa ano?
Tanggalin.
Pagka ba pinagdikit mo yung dalawa na yan, ano? Yan, pwede na yan. Ano yun na lang, dayain na lang dun sa ano. Eh, yung isa, abot naman to doon. Doon sa ginawa mong poste. Aakyat eh. Walang dal eh. Babalik ta rin na lang pag ano. Tangay, ba't di pa? Doon inuna sa kabila. It's sobrang init na. It's very hot. Sakto ah. Good for 1, 2, 3, 4 kgs. Paano nyo nga ito-twist sa kabila yan? Tangina, baka lumusot kayo doon sa cage ha. Eh, sir. Yeah. Hindi, yung gitna na lang, kailangan batakin mo yung gitna. Okay. Ayun. Yan. Tal. So it's 80% shading net. It's top of the line that we use in our nursery garden. In the fruit nursery, we use this. This is 70% net, 70 to 80% shading net. So it means that if you have 100% sunlight, only 20%, 30 to 20% only of the sunlight will penetrate under the net. So this is expensive. There are cheap ones, but the problem with the cheap ones, they don't last. They don't last long, especially if they're taut. When they're stretched. Wait, they go up there. Wait. Oy, doon ka lang to. Ayan, dyan. So let's look inside. How the 70% shade net will appear. See, it's shaded here. See, no more direct sunlight. The key is it has to be stretched taut, or else the wind will make it flap and eventually it will be brittle. So after that we will fix this, and then on that part also, the long one. This is the priority first because this are the breeder eclectus. Most of them are nesting already. Wow!
Mabatak yan ha.
Mahuhuli tayo. Andaw?
Thanks for visiting Michael's Aviary. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more bird keeping content. See you in the next video.